everyone, this is Zahra from Sajjad Zahra Makeup by Zahra and welcome to my tips and tricks video. Today I would be showing you two tips and tricks. First of all, I would be showing you how to make an anti-aging face and under eye mask and how to store it. And secondly, I would be telling you how to fix your pomades, gel eyeliners and cream-based products using only a single product, which is locally easily available here. So let's get started. So guys, the first remedy for today is an anti-aging mask and also a very good under eye mask, for which you need about 2 tablespoons of rice flour and about half a cup of water, which you will mix with the rice flour. After mixing the mask thoroughly with the spoon first, then I will microwave this for about a good 1 to 2 minutes. Now, after I've microwaved it for about 1 whole minute, the consistency should look somewhat like this. If you have a lot of small clumps inside this, you can add some more water and keep on mixing it while it's still hot. And the final consistency that you should get is somewhat like this. The second ingredient that you would use in this are 2 vitamin E capsules. Always add the vitamin E capsules after the mixture is cold enough. This is because if you're going to put when the mixture is hot, the vitamin E will oxidize and will be of no use. So always remember to put the vitamin E capsules once the mixture is cool enough. You may add 1 if you have oily skin. Now that the mask is ready, you can store it in a container in the fridge where it will last for up to 3 to 4 days, and if you store it into the freezer, it can last up to for 45 days. So after this mask is done, I'll tell you how to apply it on your face. You would take some good amount of it on your fingers and start scrubbing it onto your face and under eye in circular motions, and then finally let it sit until it dries and wash it off with cold water. Mind you, please do wash it with cold water, not hot water, and then tap dry your skin with towel. Repeat it for a good 2 to 3 weeks and see the difference. The second tip for today is how to fix your dried out gel and cream products using only one ingredient, which is easily available in our local market by the name of cysteine. So first of all, this is a dry Rimmel gel liner which I left out overnight, and it has completely dried out, as you can see. Completely dried out. Now all I'll do is, first I'll take some spatula kind of a thing to mix and after I have mixed this, I would be taking cysteine and adding a few drops of it And then again I will be taking the same spatula and mixing it with the cystine solution thoroughly again, the product. Make sure to mix it really well so that the solution gets everywhere in the product. Now, after I've given it a good stir, you can see the consistency of the product is quite creamy again. And now obviously I would not leave it looking like this, so I would wipe the excess on the spatula and would set the product properly with my finger. Now after I've set the product properly, I would discard the excess solution which is left on the top, and as you can see, the cream consistency, which was dried out and cracky and chappy, the consistency of the product is back again, and it's all good to use. So this technique works on all cream and gel based products like your pomades, your gel liners, your broken cakes, just with this simple one ingredient, cystine, which is locally available at any pharmacy or any supermarket. Cystine. Just using cystine, we can fix a lot of makeup. And now when the product is all fixed, we'll take a swatch and look at it works, and we'll take a swatch and see how perfectly it's gliding, which shows that the original consistency and the original texture is back again.